Hey everyone. So, you've probably heard the term artificial intelligence, or AI, 1,000 times this week, right? But what does it actually mean, beyond all the buzzwords? Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense.
I mean, it feels like it's everywhere, doesn't it? It's in the news, it's on your phone, it's in all these headlines about the future. It can be a lot to take in. So let's just get to the bottom of what AI is all about, nice and simple.
Okay, so let's cut through the noise. What is AI? Really, we're going to skip all the technical jargon and get straight to a clear, simple answer.
At its heart, AI is just technology that lets computers do things that usually need a human brain. Things like recognizing your friend's face in a photo, or understanding what you're saying, or even making a quick decision.
Now let's get one thing straight right away. The AI we're talking about, the AI that's in our lives today, it is not about sci-fi robots with feelings. It's something way more practical than that.
It's really about smart software. Software that can learn and adapt all on its own. It actually gets better over time without some programmer having to rewrite its code for every single new situation.
Okay, so how does a piece of software actually learn anything? Well, let's use a really simple analogy to explain it. The difference between a recipe and a student. Think about it this way. A traditional computer program is like a cook with a super strict recipe. It follows every single step, one by one, perfectly. If a step is missing or something's wrong, it just stops. But AI is more like a student. You don't give it a recipe, you give it thousands of examples and just let it figure out the patterns on its own.
For instance, if you want to teach an AI to recognize a cat, you don't write rules like pointy ears plus whiskers equals a cat. Nope. Instead, you show it millions, and I mean millions, of cat photos. The AI studies them, and on its own, it learns the common patterns. Pretty soon, it gets so good that it can spot a cat in a brand new photo it has never, ever seen before.
And that's the key here. There's no magic involved. It's just a whole lot of digital trial and error. It's kind of like learning to ride a bike, right? You fall, you adjust, you try again, and eventually, it just clicks. That's pretty much how AI learns too.
Now, I know this all might sound a little bit abstract, but here's the cool part. You are already using AI every single day, probably without even thinking about it.
Just think about it for a second. That spam filter in your email that just works? That's AI. Unlocking your phone with your face? Yep, that's AI. That incredible Discover Weekly playlist on Spotify that just gets you? That's AI too. And of course, Siri and Alexa understanding your voice, or even your phone's autocorrect learning your weird typing habits. It's all powered by this amazing learning software.
So, okay, AI is everywhere, but why should you care? What does knowing all this actually mean for you?
Well, simply understanding the basics of AI is really empowering. It gives you the knowledge to make smarter choices in a few really important ways.
For example, when an app asks for your data to improve your experience, you'll know what that really means. It's probably to help train its AI. You'll be able to form your own opinions when you see AI in the news, and you can look past all the hype and the fear. And honestly, it just helps you feel more confident navigating a world where this technology is popping up everywhere.
And listen, you don't need to be a coder or a programmer to understand the tools that you use every day. This is really just about being a smart, informed user of technology.
So if there's one thing you take away from all this, let it be this. AI is smart software that learns from examples to do human-like tasks. And it's not some far-off future thing, it's already here, and it's probably in your pocket right now. So, now that you know the basics, what do you think? With AI becoming such a big part of our lives, it's definitely something worth thinking about. Thanks so much for tuning in.